Welcome to this introduction lecture on the course of neurophysiology. My name is Vesa Painen. I work here at the University of Eastern Finland at the Department of Environmental and Biological Sciences. The course is for advanced level biology students, and it's held here at the Joensuu campus every other year. But it's available there in the internet all the time. The course is based on flipped classroom teaching, where you should first watch the videos and do the quizzes, etc. So learning first, and then we have weekly meetings where we are doing some group work and focusing on more challenging tasks. So that's why I'm not going to talk in the lecture room. I rather do some short videos for you, and then you can check them at your own schedule and make the preparations for weekly tasks, etc. The course is based on two different textbooks. We have a Sparrow-Atkins Cell Physiology, which is a very large Bible of the electrophysiology. It's over 1,000 pages, so we are covering during this course only partly of it. And then we have another book which is Perv's Neuroscience, and this is an excellent book that we are actually covering practically completely during the 7 weeks of this course. First 2 weeks we are focusing on purely electrophysiological. So first on why the ions are moving across the membrane, what kind of channels or transporters we have there, and what is the structure of these channels, and why they permit ions, and how they are regulated. Then we continue on the provocation of action potential. So after 1 week we understand that how the ions or the signal is moving from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. And then the 3rd week we're focusing only on the synapses. So how the cells are interacting with each other. Because after that we can then understand that, okay, if we have plenty of cells, we can have some neural networks, etc. Okay, then the 4th week is based on the senses, so a little bit more deeply focusing on the vision, on the hearing, etc. Still only few cells that are interacting. And then we have a movement and how we are controlling the muscles, etc. Because even then it's just a quite easy task when you only have some kind of reflex. You only need few neurons there. And then the last weeks we are dealing on the modulation of neural networks and on the cognitive processes. And that's of course very interesting thing, because it's on the learning and education and that kind of stuff. And the idea on this course is that we have lectures, we have contact meetings where we can have discussions and do some group work, and then how you can make this course or pass this course is by doing some quizzes related on the lectures, and then making some essays related on the essays and some real studies that are published in somewhere. So you make some reviews on those. And I warmly welcome you to this course.